So this is a picture with Studio Ghibli style, and this is the original picture. You can tell that these two are exactly the same photos or the same pictures, but they do have different styles. One is just regular photo, but the other one is Studio Ghibli. So I created this picture using AI in WhatsApp, but I'm not talking about Meta AI, which is the AI feature in WhatsApp right now, because that AI tool just cannot create this type of picture, and it is not even possible to edit picture using Meta AI at the moment. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a Studio Ghibli photo from your selfie or from family photo into this style, and you don't have to pay for anything. So we are going to be using an external tool called Perplexity that is available on WhatsApp, and you don't have to download anything. So let me show you how you can create this effect. So first, you have to open a new browser window. By the way, this method will work on WhatsApp desktop, WhatsApp web, or WhatsApp mobile. It doesn't really matter. Now, I want you to visit this URL, wa.me/this number. So this is basically the contact number of Perplexity, which later we can use to generate pictures via WhatsApp. So make sure that you enter the number correctly, and do not add any characters like plus, dash, or parentheses, just the pure number. Now I'm going to press enter on my keyboard to visit the URL, and you should see this screen. Make sure that it is Perplexity with this green check mark and click continue to chat. And basically you can click open WhatsApp and it will open the WhatsApp web, desktop, or mobile application. Now I'm going to click cancel because I already opened WhatsApp, but you have to click the open button right here. So basically it will open this user interface. As you can see, I've created this picture. Turned this picture into this picture. Now let me show you how you can turn any photo into Studio Ghibli style. Now I'm going to upload this Obama photo. There you go. And you have to put this prompt. There are multiple prompts that you could try. I have this collection. It's up to you which prompt that you want to use. And by the way, I'm going to put these prompts in the video description, so make sure to check it out. So I'm going to try using this first prompt. Right click, copy, and let's go back to WhatsApp, and I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Now when you're done with the image and the prompt, just send a message to Perplexity and just wait for Perplexity AI to actually turn your photo into a Studio Ghibli style. So this process will take usually less than a minute, and hopefully it will generate a somewhat accurate depiction of Obama in a Studio Ghibli universe, I guess. So you'll see that there is going to be this sign saying that it is typing, although it's not typing, it just means it is still generating the picture. So I'm going to show you the result when it is done. Okay. I didn't expect this result. So I think Perplexity just confused this picture with the previous picture, and that's why it's putting Obama into this new dress and environment. So I suppose it is actually still understanding the previous context of the message, and therefore it is taking the previous photo that was created as an example or reference to recreate this picture into this. So I guess you probably have to clear the conversation first before you can create a new picture. I think that's gonna be the best practice. But either way, this is definitely a Studio Ghibli style that is coming from this photo and also from this photo. Yeah, that's not something that I'm expecting to happen, but either way, it's happened. So this is how you can create a Studio Ghibli photo using or via WhatsApp using the Perplexity AI tool. I hope you find this video to be useful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.